Hello everyone, today I will show you how to adjust audio settings in Where Winds Meet. To adjust the audio settings, first open the main menu by pressing this button right here, pressing the escape key, or at the corresponding menu key on your controller. Then go into Settings. In Settings, navigate to the Audio section. Right here, you can change your master volume, SFX volume, music volume, voice volume. You can enable or disable background audio. Do the same for skill voice. Increase or decrease ambient volume. And that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to comment, like and subscribe as it helps our channel.